Here's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. This AMG GTS is a handcrafted work of art with the power, performance, and luxury that comes from legendary race-bred intuition. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: twin-turbo V8 engine, all-wheel steering, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual-zone climate control, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, Wi-Fi hotspot, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,